Hey, happy Wednesday morning out there, everybody. It's Keith from Jets PC. Well, today's video covers the ongoing backup build project. The motherboard, processor, and thermal paste combo came in yesterday. It's a good deal on Newegg. $119 plus tax for a AM4 board, DDR4. It's got PCI 3.0 slot in, or PCI Express 3.0 slot for the video card. You know, this is not going to be a gamer. This one is a backup PC that's used for office work, so no reason to spend a whole bunch of money on it. The combo came with the board. There's like 4 SATA ports on it. You've even got a 1X slot in case you want to do wireless or something, or a wireless little 1X card. The processor is the Ryzen 5 5500, so it's a 6-core, 12-thread, standard speech 3.6, boost up to 4.2, so plenty fast. Came with the cooler too, so always a bargain. And this one doesn't need water cooling and all that. It's not going to be stressed at all. And even some thermal compounds, so not a bad deal. But $119, check it out on Newegg. I wish Newegg would sponsor me so they'd send this for free and I could review it. But, oh well, such is life. I'll get that going today. It should come together pretty easy, and then on to the next project. As far as the shop goes, we've got a ton of Windows 11 inventory. It runs from $350 up to $700, I think is the most expensive one. Lots of there's a workstation out there. There's your smaller form Dells. There's even a gaming PC out there for $650. And the laptops, they run from $350 to $700. All ThinkPads, all great build quality. At least 16 gigs of RAM. Some of them have 32. One of them has 40. So come on by and see us. 7543 Grissom Road Suite 121. And summer hours are Tuesday through Saturday 10 to 7. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to hit subscribe on the YouTube channel. Y'all have a good day.